This is the Undone Aqua automatic watch. I demoed the online custom configurator through to the unboxing of the actual made to order item. Keep watching to the end for some useful tips. Let's jump straight into the configurator and show you how your journey begins. I chose the Aqua from their collection. Every single Undone watch is made to order from their in-house operation. We've got a choice of 4 PVD coatings, which increase the wear, scratch and corrosion performance of stainless steel. You also have more colourful Cerakote polymer ceramic coatings, needless to say very tough. I like the PVD sandblasted matte black. Next, let's choose a bezel. Even more material choice here. You've got 4 ceramic finishes, 4 Cerakote finishes and lots of K1 glass designs. Next, the dial. There's too many different ones for me to go through all of them with you here, but you get the idea. The hands also present you with a massive choice, including luminous colours. The movement or mechanism for non-watch people is an automatic motion-powered self-winding type. It's the NH35A. The strap, various leathers, suede, rubber, cordura, all of them look good and are easily changeable, which I'll show you soon. Finally, we've got a choice of glass back showing the movement, which you can have custom printed on, or a metal back with custom engraving. The solid metal back gives you 200 meter depth compared to 100 meters of the glass back. In just 9 days, Undone have custom made my design and shipped the watch all the way from Hong Kong via Dubai to the UK. It's been on more exciting travels than I have. I was surprised to get it so quickly. You get this fantastic leather padded case. And here are the warranty instruction, owner's manual and quick guide. The Aqua collection are divers watches, water resistant up to 200 meters if you get the metal back, with optional luminous bezel, dial and hand combination, so you can tell the time even in the darkest depths. You also have a quick release mechanism to change straps with no hassle. I think customs might have opened mine, but it's arrived safely and it's exactly as I specified on the online configurator. The automatic movement is the most appealing feature for me, and it's great to see it work. It satisfies what would otherwise be an urge to take it apart. I sure don't think I'd be able to put it back together again if I did. I especially like this raised domed glass which magnifies the date. Oh, and if you like videos like this, would you hit the like or subscribe? Because when I first started the channel, I made reviews of things I had lying around. Now I try really hard to handpick items only that I hope sharing with you will be exciting for you to see. So I really appreciate the like, subscribe or hearing your comments below. I like the Undone branding on the crown. The ceramic bezel is raised to protect the sapphire crystal. Let's pull this sticker off. Watching the mechanism move around through the glass window has got me hooked. You can have personalised printing on the glass if you want to take your custom build even further, and optional engraving on the metal back. For those of you that are new to mechanical watches, there may be an assumption that we just all know how they work, but I've a little guidance to help you. You'll notice my ticker isn't ticking yet. The guys at Undone tell me to wear this for a while to put some charge into it. So I embark on a 5-mile hike and a 3-mile run, and still nothing yet. But don't worry, your watch is fine. They just don't give much information suitable for the watch noob. I've put some detailed instruction and information in the description about the NH35A movement. Firstly, set your time and date, being observant of the instructions. Next, my experience was that I found there was a knack to making it start when it's brand new. Basically, you've got to reason with it a little and convince it that the world is not such a bad place to live. What you're going to want to do is hold it firmly and give it a bit of a shake or gentle tap. That will nudge it into life for maybe 4 or 5 seconds. Do this a few times until you've 1 full rotation of the seconds hand. To get a second rotation of this seconds hand doesn't require as many nudges, and after that it works fine all by itself. I learned that NH35 unit is well regarded for its reliability, and I could find no examples online of people having problems with it. I've been wearing it for a few days and it's kept perfect time even when I've taken it off overnight, and this watch is just about my favourite thing right now. Let's take a look at the changeable straps. You might have bought additional straps. You have a simple tiny push lever which allows you to remove and replace the straps in seconds. If you're a muscular guy or girl, check the exact dimensions on the Undone website. See how it compares with your existing watch strap length. One thing to note is that I've got quite skinny arms, like a T-Rex. and I've got this on the third location hole near the end. Thanks again for watching. See ya!